Hi, welcome to the Neo65 build video.
The body cannot live without the mind.
What's up guys, Sauce here, hope your day's going well. So today we'll be building this keyboard right here.
This is my jam.
This is the Neo65 by QWERTY Keys. As you can see, I went with the yellow one with the gold back plate. I love how it came out, I like how it looks, and I love this colorful build. The keycaps are these XDA profile keycaps that I got from AliExpress. And the switches are KTT Hollow Halo switches. I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to go get these. They sound really good. They don't come pre-lubed, so you might have to lube them. Let's get started with this build. So this little box comes with the Neo65. Inside you'll find the charger, the stabilizer, keycap puller, and the screwdriver that you'll need for this whole build. This is the only screwdriver that you need for the whole build, so do not lose it. Inside the nice case is everything you'll need for this build. Let's look at the accessories first. So you can O-ring mount this or gasket mount this. Those are the two options. I did prefer the gasket mount. As you'll see later on, I will show you the sound test with the O-ring mount and the gasket mount. And this right here is the PCB. It comes with foam already. And then mine is the polycarbonate plate. As you can see, it's a bit bendable, which is really nice. And now let's look at the case. The only thing underneath the plate is the battery, so I'll show you that right now. Before starting the build, I lubed the stabilizers with GPL 205, and then the metal pieces I lubed it with dielectric grease. I saw it in a recent video by Alex Sotos. I'd recommend giving this a try. I'll link the video in the description. Installing the daughter board cable on the PCB first makes it easier to install later on when you're done to build. You'll just route it under the case and install it onto the battery. And these are the switches that I went with, the KTT Hollow Halo switches by Dang Keeps. I think it's only on Dang Keeps, but if you find it anywhere else, comment below, let me know. And then the keycaps that I went with are these XDA profile gummy keycaps. The keycaps look really amazing and the quality is top tier. They're ABS and they look amazing. And for my final thoughts, I'm really happy with this keyboard build. I'm glad the price wasn't too crazy. The only thing that was crazy about buying this keyboard was the $30 shipping, which was a bit crazy, but you know, DHL. Other than that, the keyboard sounds amazing. The price is worth it, $125 plus the extra price for the keycaps and switches, of course. And you can use VIA software to change things up on the keyboard anyway, so it's amazing. I'm really happy with this build and I love the way it looks. And if you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. Comment below, how does the keyboard look? I know it's really colorful, but I like how it looks. Comment below, let me know what you think about it. If you want this wallpaper right here, it's free, link in the description. There's more. I make free monthly wallpapers, so go check those out. And if you're watching this, the day it's being released, or before the 26th of November, the Leobot Greywood V3 giveaway is still going on. So click on my website and enter so you can get a chance to win. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one.